guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Sunday and it is June 6, 2021 at day off ko, and it's so nice. It's because it's really sunshine today, guys. It's 26 degrees, so sobrang mainit talaga, and we are on our way to
I got a fast pace and we gotta go up and get the Sun Ocean.
Up to you though. Where is the Sun Ocean then?
Anyhow.
Okay, then you go pick it up. So yeah, we're on our way to the beach. Kakain daw kami ng ice cream doon kasi nga sobrang mainit. And it's 2:30 ng hapon, so sobrang talaga guys, sobrang init talaga. But before that, we have to go to our tiny house kasi nandun yung sun lotion namin. So yun, and I was just in the house the whole day, and sa house actually it's like more cool doon, kaya na-shock ako pagkalabas ko, ganito na pala kainit, kaya pala yung mga tao are wearing really short shorts, ganyan. So yeah, and now I'm actually really feeling fresh kasi guys, for the last Thursday and Friday hindi ako pumasok sa work. I've been sick. I've been sick. Alam mo yun, yung parang ayaw mong itapon yung pagkain kasi nga there's so much people in the world that are hungry, char. So inisip ko, hindi pa naman siya, alam mo yung mabaho na so kinain ko. After 3 hours yun na, sumakit na tiyan ko. So 2 days din akong nagka-diarrhea guys, but now I'm fine and I'm ready for work for tomorrow, and the work would be from 6 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon. So ready na ako guys, and yeah, today we're just gonna enjoy the day.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere.
Let them stop, but let them fight.
I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence.
You know what he did? He
Everything
actually
was hazy, now it's
drank a
making
lot of milk.
sense.
Yeah.
Alright, I made it, so now what?
Put in fish.
Hi guys, katatapos lang namin kumain, and right now I think we're on our way home. Are we gonna be home na no? What?
Excuse me, I didn't hear what you were saying.
I said we've just been done eating in that place there. It's so how do you say, touristy.
It's a tourist spot.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a tourist destination. It's a... What is what?
What is it?
The place we just went to?
Yeah.
It's a tourist spot. It's a tourist trap. It's a white beach. It's a tourist destination. It's one of the hottest spots in Denmark when we're talking beaches. We went to Toby Burger and I had a burger and he made a decent burger.
What did they have?
You had fish and chip and it was... yeah.
It was yummy actually. I love it.
Yeah. But the burger was great.
What was the place we went?
Toby Burger.
No, is it
Tisvildeleje Strand.
Ah,
But it's very hot. It's super in it. So
where are we going now?
you said you want ice cream.
Yeah.
So you get ice cream
Where?
in another place.
Where nga?
I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm just roaming around.
Okay, fine. So anyway nga, yun guys. Hi, sobrang init. Ang ganda sana kasi white sand. Tapos parang feeling mo talaga nasa Pinas ka lang or nasa Spain. Kasi sobrang init, white sand. Tapos upo-upo kayo doon, kain-kain. Tapos may ice cream din. Pero hindi kami nag-ice cream doon kasi sobrang init na talaga. So Martin said, okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna drive and we're just gonna find another place where we can eat ice cream. But it was a good lunch we had. I had fish and chips. And Martin had a burger. So yun, yumsy. Daming tao guys, super 26 degrees dito ngayon. Mainit, tapos halos walang hangin. So mafe-feel mo talaga yung parang tinutoast ka. But I'm not complaining, I like it.
Summer's day in Shepherdstown, an eagle in a thermal is a circling around like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again, and smiling all the way with her unstoppable grin. Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No.
Hola.
Oh, I cannot pronounce that.
Hola.
Yeah, anyway. So there, it's another beach area. It's so pretty. It's not so popular here compared to the other
No, it's
one.
also a lot more stone in this beach.
Take your order, sir, I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee.